Hi, this video is about a Kenmore washer that makes this awful noise. And this is how to fix this noise if you have this washer. It seems that it's model number 417.401.42000. It's a Sears Kenmore washer. Anyway, it's making this awful noise when it runs, and I found out that it's this little pump right here. If I put a little pressure on it, it stops. It vibrates. I tried tightening the screws down, but it doesn't do any good. It's like mounted on a rubber thing, but it shakes. So in order to fix that, here's what I did. I bought some steel that's 1/8 inch thick, 1 inch wide at Home Depot. You can get it, I believe it comes in a 2 or 4 foot length. Okay, what I did is I put it in my vise, and I'll give you my bends here as to what I did. Okay, this bend here is at 1.5 inches right here. This bend here is at 3.5 inches, and this bend here is at 4.5 inches, and then I put a little bend upward, so just that little round part would be touching that pump, so it wouldn't be the edge where it would be sharp. And I drilled 2 holes, which is 11/64, and put 2 self-tappers to the washer floor. And I'll show you that in a second. Okay, we're back at the washer, and there's the pump, and here's the bracket I made, and it's going to sit like that. And when I screw this down, it's going to put pressure right here to push this pump down just enough to stop that vibration. Okay, we'll do that now. Got it in place. Tighten this down. Okay, got a nice tight fit, and it's putting a little pressure on that, and we'll run it. Alright, no more noise. Nice and solid. If I lift on this, the noise comes back. But with that little bit of pressure, all is quiet. That noise was like echoing through the whole house. It was driving everybody crazy. But finally took a look at it and found a fix. Alright, thanks for watching my video, and I hope this helps anybody with this Kenmore. And I believe there's other models out here that are like this. Kenmore made this particular one. And if yours is like this and you have that problem, then that's how you fix it.